Hi guys, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Are your cut pieces falling through the bed and ruining your engravings? Stop guessing. Today, we master the foundation of LaserMaker. Layer and basic parameters. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's start. As you can see here, I have different kind of shape. Vector shape and the picture. The first thing to do is to create a dedicated layer on which you will assign your shape to. There is nothing more simple than this. Just select your shape and go here on the lower panel and click on the layer. You will see that it will create the layer automatically and assign the selected shape to this new layer. You can see here scoring. I will take this one, assign to the red layer, automatically created. You can also hide the layer by clicking on this small eye. So let's continue. This one that I will assign, for example, to this layer. And let's select our hole that I will assign to the blue layer. That's it, as simple as this. And here on the right side panel, you have a quick access to the main layer setting, main processing setting. You can set up the airflow, high or low, the power, in percent, the speed, for example 1000, and the processing mode that can be assigned to cutting, scoring, but we will see that a little bit later. And to have a full access to the parameter setting, just double click on a layer and this panel will open. Let's focus first on the basic parameter for this tutorial. LaserMaker uses a three-pane system: layer, material, and parameter. The golden rule of laser cutting is always engrave before you cut. You can see on the left panel, LaserMaker is smart. It auto-orders your job. First scoring, then engraving, and finally cutting. It protects your material from falling through the bed prematurely. By the way, did you know that LaserMaker does this automatically to protect your job? So just tell us in the poll. So, what language does the LaserMaker speak? Let's look at the 6 processing modes. LaserMaker uses a smart filtering system. As you can see in the middle pane, if you're working on picture, you will only have access to shallow engrave, deep engrave, and mark processing mode. But if you're working on a vector file, like this one, you will unlock all the processing mode. Cutting for separating, scoring for line engraving, shallow engrave for surface shading, deep engrave for heavy material removal, dotting for perforated folds, and mark for our vision system. You can check the card above. I previously did a tutorial on this processing mode. Modes are just the start. Now we need to give the LaserMaker its instructions. Let's tackle basic parameters. No matter what mode you are in, you will always have to set up these 3 basic parameters: air assist, speed, and power. Use high air assist for cutting to blow away smoke and prevent flames. Use low air for engraving to protect your lens without washing out your fine details. The speed detects your cycle time, and the power detects the energy that will be used while processing. In cutting and scoring processing mode, why do we have min and max power? This is just physics. In the sharp corner, the motors physically decelerate. Min powers tell the laser to reduce energy in corners to prevent any burning. And here is a pro tip, guys. If your cut hangs on by a thread, just add 0.5 millimeter seal length to overlap the start and end point, guaranteeing a perfect drop. For engraving, you only have one power setting. The details are coming from the DPI, the dot per inch. Higher the value is, more detail you will get at the end. But you also have to choose a mode, either bidirectional or one-way. Bidirectional fires sweeping left and right. It's incredibly fast. But for microscopic text, you have to choose one-way, where you want zero mechanical ghosting. It takes longer, yes, but it delivers an unmatched, rather sharp precision.
Now, you have the foundation to make perfect cuts and engravings. But what if you want to carve through 3D wood and make professional rubber stamp or prevent laser crashes? We will deep dive in the layers advanced setting in the part 2 of this tutorial. Stay tuned and do not hesitate to have a look on our other LaserMaker tutorials by clicking the link below. See you there!